students, today we are going to start one new chapter which is called Yoga and Lifestyle. This is our third chapter in our book, in which we have to just talk about the deleted topics from this chapter. There is only one topic which is deleted from this chapter, that is back pain. Okay, when we talk about lifestyle diseases or lifestyle, okay, we are just going to discuss about back pain because it is need to be known. It is deleted, but actually we have to know what is back pain and why it is considered as a lifestyle disease. So now in this chapter we have to just go through about what is yoga, what is lifestyle, how yoga and lifestyle is connects each other for better living, which kind of lifestyle requires changes, and how can we change our lifestyle through yoga. So these are the basically few points what we have to just consider in this chapter. But before starting that, we have to talk about what is yoga. Yoga is actually a simple kind of activity. For performing this kind of activity, we don't require any kind of equipment for that. Okay. If we talk about in general terms, it's a kind of activity which requires less time to perform and no equipment for performing this activity. Okay. And when we talk about yoga is a combination of 8 elements. But from those 8 elements, we are just going to talk about 3 elements. Okay, आसन, प्राणायाम and ध्यान, जिसको हम बोलते हैं meditation. आसन is basically a slow stretching exercises. आसन is basically a slow stretching exercises. Okay, there are so many kinds of asanas. There are so many kinds of varieties of asanas are there. Okay, next is pranayam. Pranayam is basically related with the breathing process. Inhale, holding of that breath, and exhale of that breath. Okay. In this pranayam, we are just going to purify our internal body organs with the help of huge amount of oxygen in our body. Clear? That process is called pranayam. And when we talk about meditation is basically effective for the controlling on our brain functioning. जिसको भी मान लीजिए कई बार गुस्सा आता है, उससे बोला था शांत रहिए, but those people are not able to control on their feelings, emotions and whatever things is running inside their brain. Okay, so how can we control all those kind of negative things in our brain? That thing is possible to control through meditation. Okay, so we are just going to talk about these 3 kind of varieties of yoga in this chapter. First one is asana, which is called slow stretching exercise. Pranayam, breathing, होल्डिंग ऑफ द ब्रेथ एंड एक्सलेशन ऑफ ब्रेथ. ठीक है, सांस लेना, रोकना, उसके बाद सांस को छोड़ना. ठीक है, और थर्ड वन है आपका मेडिटेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज लाइफस्टाइल. इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड no one of us is having enough time to perform any kind of activity because we all are busy. Even if we are just sitting at home and doing something in mobile, in that condition also we are just considered ourselves as a busy person. Okay, in that condition we are going to face some kind of lifestyle diseases. ठीक है, जिसमें हम पहले जानेंगे. फर्स्ट थिंग इज ओबेसिटी. ओबेसिटी इज बेसिकली a kind of disease which is only happened because of the intaking of large amount of calories in our body. But there, if we are not going to burn those calories, okay, if we are not going to burn those calories, that calories is converted into fat, and that fat is accumulated in our body in the form of bulk of our body. Okay, that is called obesity. Clear? Now next हम बात करेंगे उसके बारे में आगे. Now how yoga and lifestyle is connects to each other for better living. Now many of us are having one kind of, we can say, excuses. We are making so many kind of excuses for not performing any kind of activity. That is why we are considered ourselves as a busy person. Yeah, because we only want to just live in our comfort zone. But when we talk about yoga and lifestyle, how they are connected in this, when we talk about yoga, for performing yoga you not need to go outside from your home. Because अगर किसी को बोला जाए if you are getting fat and if you are having such kind of lifestyle diseases, because of that you have to perform some kind of activities, physical activities. Physical activities सुनते से हमारे दिमाग में हिंट करता है कि भाई मुझे घर से बाहर जाना है, मुझे जिम ज्वाइन करना है, मुझे जॉगिंग करनी है, मुझे वॉकिंग करनी है. ठीक है, इन दैट कंडीशन हम अपने आप को बिजी कंसिडर करते हैं. इन दैट केस वी आर जस्ट सेइंग दैट भाई मेरे पास इन सब के लिए टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास, मैं बहुत बिजी चल रहा हूँ. इन दैट केस, ठीक है, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ योगा, आसन्स, pranayam and meditation. While we are sitting at our home, we are just going through few asanas because of those slow stretching exercises. Whatever the fat is accumulated in our belly and other colder region of our body, it is going to be reduced from that. ठीक है, बट इट इज ओनली हैपन व्हेन वी आर परफॉर्मिंग आसन्स, क्लियर। एंड इफ वी हैविंग सम काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल डिसीज जस्ट लाइक अस्थमा, उसके लिए भी क्या रीजन है, हम प्राणायाम करें, while we are taking अनुलोम विलोम, taking डीप ब्रेथ एंड होल्डिंग दैट ब्रेथलेस, क्या होगा, जो आपका एयर पैसेज है वो फैलना शुरू होगा, जिसकी वजह से जो आपके यहाँ पे एयर पैसेज चोक होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें एस्थमेटिक अटैक्स आते हैं, वो उससे हम बच पाए। सो देयर आर सम काइंड ऑफ आसन्स और देयर आर सम काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज विच कैन प्रिवेंट such kind of lifestyle diseases. Now go to the next point. Which kind of lifestyle required changes? See, we see there are so many kind of lifestyles in our society, but not every one of them is required to change their lifestyle. Okay, because we have seen that from out of 100% only 40% people are aware about their healthy habits. Okay, but rest of the 60% who don't want to perform any kind of physical activity for keeping their body healthy. Okay, and this lifestyle changes is only required to those 60% who don't want to do anything, go outside from their home. Okay, only because of those 60% we are introducing yoga, ताकि हम उस योगा को उनके घर के अंदर ही आप जाए, जैसे भी आपको समय मिले 10 मिनट 15 मिनट 20 मिनट जितना भी आपको समय मिले उतना समय आप योगा आसन करके अपनी जो लाइफस्टाइल डिसीज उसको सुधार सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, हाउ कैन वी चेंज अवर लाइफस्टाइल थ्रू योगा? बट व्हेन जब हम बात करें हाउ कैन वी चेंज अवर लाइफस्टाइल थ्रू योगा, व्हेन वी जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी ऑन अ कंटिन्यूअस बेसिस, दैट एक्टिविटी इज गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर लाइफस्टाइल। ठीक है, जैसे कि मान लीजिए अगर आप कभी खेलने जाते थे, बिफोर लॉकडाउन यू वाज गोइंग टू एंजॉय योर प्लेइंग गेम्स, ठीक है, जैसे ही टाइम होता है 4 बजे, मुझे 4 बजे खेलने जाना है, आप खेलने के लिए रोज निकल रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या हो इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गो आउटसाइड फॉर प्लेइंग, ठीक है, बट एट दैट पर्टिकुलर 4 to 5, 4 बजे से लेकर 5 बजे तक का जो बीच का टाइम है आपको अजीब सा लगेगा, यू आर नॉट एबल टू सिट एट एनी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस बिकॉज दैट टाइम योर बॉडी इज प्रिपेयर इटसेल्फ फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, जिसकी वजह से आपको बहुत सा उत्सुकता होता है, लेकिन एट दैट मोमेंट यू आर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म दोज एक्टिविटी बिकॉज ऑफ सम चेंजेस आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड। ठीक है, इन दैट केस यू कैन परफॉर्म आसन्स और some exercises what we are able to perform without having any equipment in our home। ठीक है, इस तरीके से आसन से योगासन जो है हमारी लाइफस्टाइल से कनेक्ट करने के लिए, उसको बेहतर करने के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ yoga and lifestyle. Why we are just going through this topic, why we are just going through this yoga again in this year? Okay, right now we are just going to know about how this yoga helps us to improve our lifestyle, okay, and what are the objectives, what we have to occupy, what we have to capture, or what we have to achieve with the help of this chapter. The first objective is to make people aware about lifestyle diseases and its effect on human body. First of all, we have to understand about lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases is not like those kind of diseases कि भाई जैसे फीवर आया, हमने थर्मामीटर डाला, we are just check that we having a fever। ऐसा नहीं कि पेट दर्द हुआ, we are having a, हमें कुछ ऐसे symptoms मिलते नहीं हैं। ठीक है, there are the some, these are the lifestyle diseases which we can't find any kind of actual symptoms, but it is already happen inside our body। but जब ये symptom एकदम सामने आता है तो एकदम explode form में सामने आता है। ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हमें जानना है कि what are the lifestyle diseases and how can we manage those lifestyle diseases with the help of yoga. Next, to understand the kinds of lifestyle diseases and why these diseases called as a lifestyle diseases. Next point is we have to just categorize some kind of diseases which is happened because of our bad lifestyle, which is our having a negative lifestyle of our self. ठीक है, so in that condition which kind of diseases is considered as a lifestyle diseases and how can we cure those diseases with the help of yoga. so अब हम जानेंगे कि कौन कौन सी lifestyle diseases होती हैं जो हमारी lifestyle की वजह से होती हैं। ठीक है, why the scientists and why the doctors kept those diseases under lifestyle diseases. The reasons of these diseases are why these diseases called lifestyle happens. Obesity, only because of eating a large amount of calories or having a large amount of calories in our food, but we are not burning those calories. In that condition we are just getting obese. Okay, that's why it is called as a lifestyle disease, because we are having a bad habit of eating. Okay, next is diabetes. Diabetes is basically that kind of disease in which the sugar level in our bloodstream is getting enhanced. ठीक है, दो तरीके से ये भी हमारी ईटिंग हैबिट की वजह से ही हमें फेस करनी पड़ती है। मेन रीजन होता है इसमें when we are intaking large amount of sugar in our body, in that condition our pancreas is not able to perform or dilute those kind of extra sugar what we are consuming, ठीक है, because for the consumption and for the dilution of those sugar our pancreas needs to secrete insulin। लेकिन अगर हम ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में अगर शुगर लेंगे तो क्या होगा, हमारी पैंक्रियाज के पास उतनी कैपेसिटी नहीं है कि हम उतनी पूरी शुगर को डाइल्यूट कर सके। इन दैट कंडीशन जो एक्स्ट्रा शुगर जो बचेगा वो आपको डायबिटीज़ का बीमार मतलब पेशेंट बनाने के लिए काफ़ी है, ठीक है। उसके बारे में हम आगे डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज अस्थमा। अस्थमा इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज अ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज बिकॉज ये डिपेंड करता है किस तरह के एनवायरमेंट में रहते हैं, ठीक है। जस्ट लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इफ यू आर लिविंग इन अ स्मोकी रीजन, जहाँ पे फैक्ट्रियाँ हैं आसपास या खदान है जहाँ पे हम प्रॉपर ब्रीथ नहीं कर पा रहे, इन दैट कंडीशन होगा क्या, अगर हम ब्रीथ ही कम लेंगे तो हमारा एयर पैसेज जो होता है, जो हमारा विंड पाइप वो धीरे धीरे सिकुड़ना शुरू हो जाता है। अगर इसका लचीलापन हमें बनाना है, वी हैव टू टेक डीप breath, we have to live in that kind of place where we can take a proper amount of breath with 100% capacity, clear? In that case that asthma is also considered as a lifestyle disease, depend on the place where we are living. Next is hypertension. Hypertension is a kind of disease which is done inside our brain, okay? We are just not performing any kind of activity but still we are just planning and thinking and overthinking about that particular activity in a reality, जैसे मान लीजिए आपका एग्जाम कल होना है एंड बट आप एग्जाम की तैयारी ना करते हुए आप कहीं और बिजी हैं, आप जस्ट अपने मोबाइल में बिजी हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं, बट दिमाग में क्या है आपके एक तरह का स्ट्रेस बना हुआ है दैट यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर द पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम। एट दैट मोमेंट जैसे जैसे टाइम पास आएगा, आपके एग्जाम ड्यूरेशन का टाइम पास आएगा, इन दैट कंडीशन जो आपका स्ट्रेस है धीरे धीरे बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगा। इन दैट केस यू आर जस्ट इजीली गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, ठीक है, ओनली बिकॉज यू आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग दोज एक्टिविटी ऑन टाइम, यू आर गेटिंग हाइपर एक्टिव एंड हाइपर extension, ठीक है, because of you are not able to control your feelings, you are not able to control your emotions, you are not able to control your brain functioning actually, ठीक है। in that condition your BP is getting higher, आपका BP बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से इसको काहे को लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज में रखा गया है, because when we are just living in a proper time table lifestyle, ठीक है, we are not going to face this kind of problems in our life, clear? इसमें हाइपरटेंशन को हमें कैसे देखना है, एज अ हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, क्लियर। और इसका एक लो ब्लड प्रेशर भी तो, बट हाई ब्लड प्रेशर इज क्वाइट अ बिट डेंजरस एज कंपेयर टू लो ब्लड प्रेशर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है बैक पेन। बैक पेन बेसिकली इट इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम अवर कोर्स बट स्टिल वी आर जस्ट हैव टू नो अबाउट द बैक पेन। व्हेन वी सीन अबाउट द मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज, दोज पीपल हु आर वर्किंग इन अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज, दे हैव टू सिट in front of computer for the longer duration, and while we were sitting in front of computer for the longer duration, they have to just bend their back towards the computer, and because of that their back is getting pain, and this should be the schedule for the longer upcoming years, ठीक है। in that condition only having a sitting job, ठीक है, that is a part of their lifestyle, whatever they are doing, but they have to at the end they have to just sit on a laptop or computer and they have to work on it. This is also considered as a lifestyle diseases, ठीक है। so we are going to discuss about this lifestyle disease in detail in our next class. That's all for today's class. Thank you.